Hey everyone!
Hi.
This is Jen and Jen. So we have Jennifer Heavilin from Duncan Realty Group, FC Tucker, located in Carmel. Is that right?
Carmel.
And then me, Jennifer Rice, Keller Williams. I'm with the Evelo team, office in Fishers. We are here looking at this amazing tiny home here in Noblesville. It's downtown Noblesville, right?
Cool.
So cool. We are going to give you a tour. This tiny home this company built, and we're gonna give you all the information. So give me 1 second. Okay, so let's stand back. This tiny home, this gentleman who you're gonna meet in a moment built this, and he's manufacturing these at his warehouse. This one is what, 280 square feet? Okay, let's see. Jen, do you want to knock and see if anyone's home?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, come on. Let's see.
What is this called again? The Dragonfly?
The Dragonfly. Maybe, hopefully. Hello. Oh my goodness. Well, sir, can we come in?
Sure. Welcome to the Deluxe Dragonfly Cottage by Cool Cottages by DMR. Which is me.
Which is this gentleman. Thank you for letting us come tour.
Sure.
We are going to show you, this gentleman made this home, and it is amazing. He manufactures these. So we have these custom. Jen, will you show everyone around?
Bosch.
It's like Vanna White moment.
But
Bosch
look at
800
this.
Series.
Yes, Bosch 800 series. These amazing appliances, and they're custom. They fit perfectly in here. Oh my goodness, so amazing. But look at this kitchen. Just look at this. And this one actually is for sale.
Right.
And what was the sales price on this one?
$115,000 on this
$115, and it comes fully furnished, which is,
Coffee maker,
I
toaster,
mean, look at these
pots and pans,
finishes. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Convection microwave slash oven. We've got a tiny dishwasher.
It's got a silverware tray.
Hello. Amazing. So we have storage down here, bar stools. Look at this. And with the Firefly theme, of course, Firefly mug. You've got your TV. You've got storage areas for everything. What do you think of this?
This is going to be my next home. I'm so excited.
Let's just forget everything and leave and go get one of these tiny homes. Okay, let's continue with our tour. Okay, so we'll go through here, and look, we have the bedroom. Will you show us what's in these closets?
Sure.
Wow.
This one is more storage for the kitchen if you want.
Oh, wow. Look at that storage.
10 foot tall, it's 3 foot wide, and about 18 inches deep.
Nice. And then the storage.
Plug in there if you need to charge up anything. Tall area for maybe brooms or whatever.
Awesome.
There's a pocket area down here that's part of the framed up fender well, so you can put some shoes down there maybe.
Okay, then we got more space, right? Look, it's kind of like a stand-up desk, which is what I love.
And you can plug your laptop in. There's an outlet under there.
Love it. Those windows open as well. We already saw that.
Yeah.
Guys, this is amazing.
Yes.
I mean, we're...
The triple pane windows, and then the Bosch
Oh,
heat
yes.
pump makes this.
That'll heat down
So
to
tight.
minus 20 degrees.
Minus 20. Okay, we've got a twin size amazing bed up here, and then we have a queen down here. Is that right?
That's right.
We got storage under here though.
Yeah, pull that up.
Oh my
You gotta
goodness.
give it a good tug
Whoa.
there.
Okay, look how much storage is under there. I mean,
The entire unit is insulated with the closed cell.
Closed cell foam in the
Foam.
floor walls and roof.
Yep.
amazing. Absolutely amazing. And then this ladder, sorry about that. Little TV,
book area.
This ladder moves to the closet, or
Right. Put it over here
it
if you
moves
want.
to the bed. And here's an area for more storage and clothing, drawers that pull out. Everything's custom made in here. He
Has thought
does-
of everything.
Yeah, he does custom orders. They do take about 4 to 5 months to build, but this is the model. We've got tons of storage up here.
Another huge closet there.
We've got
Storage.
tons of storage.
And then did we show the closet?
Oh,
Are they hanging?
Oh,
Wardrobe
yes.
closet.
Wardrobe. I mean, this is everything you could ever need. Imagine a first-time home buyer. This is amazing. Jen, cue up the music, please. That's right. You hear Taylor Swift playing through the Bluetooth speaker in the bathroom. Jen, show us what you would do.
If it were me living in my new home, because we have a tankless water heater, my night would be spent right here on this bench, listening to my T-Swift and having my sauna. Yes.
Yeah, come on. He's not about it, but
I love it. I love it.
okay, Jen. Look. So look at this bathroom. Okay. May need to turn the music down a bit, but okay. But you can control the music with your phone, which is amazing in here. Look at this flooring. So cool. Yeah.
Tankless water heater. Never run out of hot water.
Never.
Never.
And look, stackable.
Highly option too. These are high end ones.
Yes.
Very, very nice. More storage, of course. And if you wonder, everything has a little dragonfly because that's the theme of this cottage, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So you say it takes about 4 to 5 months if someone's interested. Is that right?
Yeah,
Just
probably.
depending on if.
This one's available now, turnkey, as you see it, with the furnishings and everything.
Yeah, awesome. So Jen, what do you think? We should ride off into the sunset?
Absolutely.
Come
I'm
on.
taking this. We're going to take it to somewhere warm. How about that?
Yeah. So guys, this is available. We could look into some creative financing, but yeah, this is made for 1 to 2 people.
100%.
Definitely. And again, he also does custom building. The prices range from $100 to $175. This one is 280 square feet, but it's absolutely amazing. And you have a buyer, maybe, hey, you never know if anyone's interested, just contact us and we'll, we can get you set up because this is absolutely amazing. Like there's so much room in here.
Oh, and then
I love it.
Thought of everything.
Well, we hope you liked our tour.
It was so awesome.
Jen and Jen. So
Signing off.
hope you have a great day. If you have questions, contact both of us. I'll put both of our contact information in the video. So contact us and then we'll get you in touch with this contractor. But we hope you have a great day. Signing off, sir. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much for visiting.
Have a great day.